And last but not least, we got our Floss The Mood cream blush in the shade Safe. Hey beauties, it's Riri. Today's video is my Birchbox unboxing. I did kind of re-sign up for this back in March, and I ended up receiving February's box, so I'm actually not quite sure, you can tell by the thumbnail, if this is March or April, or if I'm now caught up, so I'm not really quite sure, but I'm still excited as heck to get in here. I'll pop all the deets and everything right here. I actually got Birchbox many years ago when it was $10, you guys. At one time, I think back in like 2015 to 2018-ish, I was getting like 8 or 9 subscription boxes per month. So I kind of got inundated, and it was kind of that and my love for subscription boxes and me kind of becoming overwhelmed with product that started my resale group. So I guess it worked out for me, y'all. It is packaged nicely. We do have our theme. And this box is Destination Beauty. This month, we're leaning into the shift from spring to summer. That in-between moment when calendars start to fill, weekends turn into getaways, and your travel bag becomes a curated edit of beauty favorites. As you move through the season, we're bringing you skin-loving formulas that nourish and restore, alongside effortless makeup designed to warm, enhance, and illuminate. Consider this your invitation to refresh your routine, embrace the glow, and take your beauty essentials wherever the season leads. And then we do have some kind of pertinent information and things like that. We also have our QR code to scan to get information about our products. The eye look of the day, the palette of the day, is the brand new Nomad Cosmetics, the Greek Odyssey collection. I do also have the blush and the highlighter on my lips as well as my cheeks. And I have lashes on today. Who am I? I don't really know, y'all. I guess I was just feeling the lashes today. But this has kind of been my go-to look recently, and I love it. It's incredibly easy as well. Let me shut my mouth and let's go in. All right, first up is the Floss The Mood Cream Blush. My shade is the shade Safe. Oh, that color is beautiful. Bright and punchy, a little bit more kind of orangey, which are my favorite for the spring and summer months. I was kind of hoping it was going to smell a little bit fruity. It does not. It is a little bit more thick. Not necessarily thick. It's not super slippy and thin and feel oily. This has got like a really good texture to it, and it seems quite opaque, which these are my favorites. These tend to dry down on the skin, and they don't stay kind of emollient and kind of slippy and oily on the skin, because I do not like that. As much as I have very dry skin and I like a more skin-like finish, I don't like anything that's overtly glowy and dewy or something that does not have a dry down on the skin. So, I think I'm gonna like this. And if you've tested anything, definitely let us know. Next up is the Noel, the hair serum, ultra clean beauty, deep moisturizer, and heat protectant. That sounds amazing. I have so many hair like serums and oils and stuff like that right now that I probably need to go through them and decide which ones I'm going to keep. So if you've tested this and I should absolutely try it, let me know. Next up is the Andalou Naturals Sensitive 1000 Roses Soothing Sleeping Mask, Alpine Rose Stem Cells. Color me intrigued, y'all. That sounds incredible. Ooh, I'm excited about that, you guys. Apply on clean face and neck and let it dry. Leave it on overnight, rinse off in the morning. That definitely sounds like something that's right up my alley. Next up is Lucetta. I feel like we get them quite a bit in subscription boxes. This is the Biotin and Collagen Hair Mask. I've definitely had this. I've had this multiple times. It is fantastic. And then last up in my Birchbox is, I have not seen Ico in anything, y'all, in a very long time. This is an Ico Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner, but in the warm brown cocoa edit shade. So I'll run that down really quickly. We have our Ico brown liner. We got the Andalou Naturals 1000 Roses Soothing Sleeping Mask. That sounds amazing. The Lucetta Biotin and Collagen Hair Mask. We got our Noel or Noelle, the Hair Serum, Ultra Clean Beauty, Deep Moisturizer, and Heat Protectant. And last but not least, we got our Floss The Mood cream blush in the shade Safe. I like this variation a lot. We got a little bit for the hair, a little bit of skincare, a couple of little makeup products. I think this is absolutely perfect for summertime. And if you've gotten this and maybe you have very fair skin and you're like, girl, I don't know. Now, when I swatched it, it's not quite as deep, so just kind of take that into mind. So take that into consideration as well. But you could use this as a flush of color on the lips, and I think it would be absolutely stunning. Yeah, I'm thrilled. I'm absolutely thrilled. I'm still on the hunt to kind of test more subscription boxes and stuff like that. So if you have any ideas, you have a subscription box you really love, and it doesn't have to pertain to beauty. That's more so what I'm into, but you know, I like nails. I know there's one like a panty subscription and things like that, a t-shirt subscription. So I'm open to ideas. I definitely want to try a bunch of different ones and then kind of reel myself in after I find my favorites and then kind of get a few of them per month. But that is it. Thank you, beauties, so much for joining. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you did enjoy. You can hype this video, you can tap the bell so you never miss a video, and there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.